Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to use the new drop fruit feature in Grow a Garden 2. So in this game, in this Grow a Garden 2, you can now drop any fruit you own almost anywhere on the map, and you can place it inside your garden or even outside your garden. And it will making much easier to share fruit with your friends. And here's how to do it. First, you just need to pick up the fruits from your backpack, the fruits that you have, like this, and make sure your fruit is not marked as favorite or you won't be able to drop it. And then next, just tap on this drop icon, this icon on your screen, just tap on it, and just like that, your fruit will fall onto the ground like this, and maybe other players or your friends can pick it up. And if you want to pick up again, just tap on this button like this. And okay, that's it for this tutorial. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.